Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from mpiinvest.com. So, as you know, it's Tuesday, a quick early morning report. So, talking about the markets yesterday, the markets moved nowhere. In fact, it is trying to take a support around this range. So, that is actually a good sign because yesterday, again, the FIs have actually sold for more than 2,000 crores, while the DIIs have actually bought for about 1,500 crores. So, at this point of time, no, the retailers also have a kind of having a feeling that probably the market has fallen enough and it can take somewhat support somewhere close. In fact, there was a good support seen at 19,600 level, but from there again, there was a resistance seen on the 100-point level. So, if you see total movement in the market yesterday was just about 100 points, so that was completely fine and finally ended the day flat. So, if you see the important stocks like we discussed yesterday, sorry. HDFC Bank was more stable. Initially it fell, but from there it started recovering. Similarly, if you look at Infosys, that also kind of initially fell and started recovering. So all this is a kind of a good sign. So even after Indian markets closed, the US markets opened negative. In fact, it fell initially, but from there was a good recovery. And US markets, all the three indexes have actually closed in a very good green yesterday. So that's of course a great sign. So probably looks like the global markets are kind of stabilizing. But if you look at the Asian markets as of now, most Asian markets are not completely open. But looking at Japan is slightly negative. But I don't think we have to worry at all because Japanese markets are slightly off track from Indian market. In fact, they have been on a continuous rise in the past couple of weeks. So even when the US markets and Indian markets were falling, so a little bit of correction there is completely okay. So looks like the markets have kind of survived to support. So this from this consolidation, the next movement is something that needs to be watched because any movement can happen. So after consolidation, probably this week, like being a monthly expiry, can see some big movement in the upcoming days. So this consolidation probably can just be a calm before the storm. So that could be a expectation. So however, let us look and watch what is happening today because today is of course the Fin Nifty expiry and tomorrow we have the Bank Nifty expiry. So things are going to be on their toes. So traders especially will have to be on their toes completely to cash in this market. So these are few things to be discussed. I think like I told you. So today we could expect a consolidation and probably a direction by end of the day. So that is what I am looking for so that I can actually plan my further trades. But as of now, at MPI family, the trades that we've taken at Gold Plus community has actually kind of yielded about almost a 0.3% return as on now. So looking forward to probably closing the week also safely. So that's it for now. A short podcast being a Tuesday. Let us catch up with more details tomorrow morning at regular time. Goodbye. Have a great day. But before you go, you know what to do. Do press the like button and do share the podcast with your friends and relatives. Goodbye.